Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Algebra 2 with the lesson Solving Rational Equations, and this is the part 2 of the lesson. This is the lesson number 6 in chapter 8. Okay, so this is the second part of the lesson. Our objective here is to use the rational equations to solve a problem. Use rational equations to solve a problem in the life. Remember, the rational equations divided into two parts: solving rational equations, and this was the last lesson, and today we are talking about using the rational equations to solve a problem. Using rational equations. Example: you ride your bike to a store 4 kilometers away to pick up things for dinner. When there is no wind, you ride at 10 kilometers per hour. Today your trip to the store and back took 1 hour. So what was the speed of the wind today? Okay, again, you ride your bike to a store 4 kilometers away to pick up things for dinner. When there is no wind, you ride at 10 kilometers per hour. Today your trip to the store and back took 1 hour. So what was the speed of the wind today? Solution: let x be the wind speed. Okay, so the distance in both directions is 4 kilometers. Okay, so 4 kilometers when you go to the store, and when you come back 4 kilometers. The rate you ride will be either 10 plus x or 10 minus x, depending on headwind or tailwind, because x represents the wind speed and your rate was 10. So 10 plus x if you are going headwind, or 10 minus x if you are going tailwind. The trip to the store and back took 1 hour. Okay, so the round trip takes 1 hour. Now, time is equal distance over rate. You know this? And so what was the speed of the wind today? It means find the value of x. So total time is equal to travel time to store and travel time from the store. Okay, because we have round trip, sorry. So we have the total time, travel time to store, and travel time from the store. And here we have, because we know that the trip took 1 hour, so because the trip took 1 hour, here we have 1 hour divided by the time of the travel to store and plus the time travel from the store. You know that the distance here, the time is distance over rate. So we have the distance for travel time to store, and 4 when you come back from the store. And here is the rate, 10 plus x or 10 minus x, and we can change the position of them, and because we have the same numerator, 4 over 10 plus x, and here we have 4 over 10 minus x, so we have no problem when we change the position of them, 10 plus x or 10 minus x, any place you can put them. Okay, so this is the rational equation. We have to find the value of x, which represents the speed of the wind. Okay, again we have travel time to store and back from the store is 1 hour, and so we have time travel to store plus time travel from the store. And you know that the time here, as this rule, we have the time is equal the distance over the rate. So the distance constant for both travel. We have 4 here and we have 4, so and 4 divided by 10 plus x plus 4 times 4 divided by 10 minus x. Okay, find the solution of x, or the solution of the equation, that means the value of x. What was the speed of the wind today? And this means what is the value of x. And here is the equation we have, rational equation, so we have to find the value of x. Multiply both sides of the equation by 10 plus x multiplied by 10 minus x, okay, to get rid of the denominators. So this is the first step. Multiply all the equation by 10 plus x times 10 minus x to get rid of the denominators here. So the first part, 10 plus x times 10 minus x times 1 is equal 10 plus x times 10 minus x, and here we have 10 plus x times 10 minus x times the second expression. So 10 plus x with 10 plus x for the first part, then we will get 4 times 10 minus x for the first part and the second part. And here we have to summarize 10 minus x with 10 minus x, then we will get 4 times 10 plus x. Okay, so here we have 10 plus x times 10 minus x, and here we have in the second part 10 minus x times 4 plus 10 plus x times 4. Now distribute 4 for both sides, here and here, so we will get, here is the difference or factors of difference of squares. You remember this? So when we have 10 plus x times 10 minus x, means we have 10 square minus x square. 10 square, it is 100. And here we have 4 times 10 minus 4x. So we have 4 times 10, 40 minus 4x. And here we have 4 times 10, 40 plus 4x. Okay. And here we have the difference of squares, 10 square, and it's 100 minus x squared, which is x squared. Now we have 40 plus 40, which is 80, and we have minus 4x plus 4x, which is 0. So 4x summarized with minus 4x because the sum of them is equal to 0. And here we have 40 plus 40 is equal to 80. Then the last, or we get 100 minus x squared is equal 80. Okay, 100 minus x squared is equal 80. Now you can take negative x squared to the other side to get positive x squared, and take positive 80 to this side to get minus 80. So we will get 100 minus 80 is equal x squared. 100 minus 80, it is 20, and is equal to x squared. Now take the square root for both sides. We have square root of x squared is equal to square root of 20, which is x approximately is equal to sometimes minus 4.47 or positive 4.47. okay, and the wind speed is positive, so x is equal 4.47 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the answer, and this is the value of x, which represents the wind speed. You have to check now. This is the original equation. 1 is equal 4 over 10 plus x plus 4 over 10 minus x. Now we got the value of x, 4.447. Now we have to substitute this value in the main equation to check if 1 is equal to the other side. So if 1 is equal to 4 over 10 plus 4.47 plus 4 over 10 minus 4.47, so we will check 10 plus 4.47 is 14.47. 10 minus 4.47 is equal 5.53. Now 4 over 14 is equal 0.276, and 4 over 5.53 is equal 0.724. When we find the sum here, so we will get 1. So this is a correct answer. So the value of x, 4.47, is a real solution of the equation which represents the wind speed. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you very much for your listening. See you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.